If you have taken medications, done with the physiotherapy, and the pain still keeps coming back, and now someone has suggested you surgery, then I would like to tell you something about which is called RFA. It's an advanced non-surgical procedure that we use to treat certain kinds of chronic pain conditions. Let me make it simple for you. Consider a nerve that keeps sending pain signal again and again, like a spam phone that just keeps ringing again and again. RFA, radio frequency ablation, is a minimally invasive procedure and it is done under image guidance. What it does, it cuts the pain signal right at its source. So in this procedure, we do not have long cuts. We do not remove any bone, any muscles or any disc that is involved. What we do, we exactly target the nerve that is carrying your pain signal very precisely under image guidance. Now, RFA isn't for every type of pain or any patient. We consider it for long-standing pain that keeps recurring despite of the proper treatments like chronic neck pain, back pain, joint pain, facet joint pains, or also some nerve-related pains. Now, the key word here is recurring. If your pain keeps coming back again and again, months after months, despite having medicines, rest, and physiotherapy, that is the time we are having this conversation. So what actually happens? A thin specialized needle is placed very precisely closer to your nerve, which is generating the pain signals, and very controlled radio frequency energy signals are sent along the nerve to cut those pain signals. No large cuts, no tissue removed. We treat exactly at the right spot and leaving the healthy tissue around it totally untouched. In my experience, chronic pain is not just about the back or neck. It's the sleep that you lose at the night, the morning walk that you have started avoiding, your grandchild who you want to lift but you're not able to do it. That is where so many patients start exploring the procedure called RFA. RFA is not just a 2 days of relief. It's something that we find comfort and a pain-free life for a very long period of the time. So when your chronic pain keeps coming back again and again, that's the time when you need to see your pain specialist. So at Nivan, with proper diagnosis and right treatment, we help you move better and live better.